It's another beautiful day here in Japan. Pit stop at 7-Eleven. Last second decision to go to this drift event in Nikko called Flex Outlaws. Haven't slept for since 5 p.m. yesterday, but we got let off work finally. We've been working for 2 weeks straight. Just decided to go to this event called, like I said, the event's called Flex Outlaws. There's gonna be a lot of JZXs. I think there's a Sanpatsu drift competition as well. Not exactly sure, but I know there's gonna be a lot of JZXs. We're about 5 minutes from Nikko Circuit. We're gonna go to this event called Flex Outlaws. Got the JZXs cruise over there, got a couple homies. Gonna meet some homies there, got a couple homies driving. But we'll see a bunch of JZXs drifting. Beautiful day, no sleep, just how it should be. We've got the car getting prepped for some paint after Matsuri. Dented wheel, still's got some damage, need to fix that. Decided to go watch some drifting, get some motivation. With that being said, let's head to Nikko Circuit. All right, we're not even inside yet. And these things are crazy. I think they're running the comp right now. Yeah. So these Japanese guys apparently went to America, and Team Oblivion accommodated them, and then they wanted to run a event in Japan, and they wanted to use a team name, so they used Oblivion. So now they've got a Japanese and American team, Oblivion. Originated in America, but now it's crossed over. And this guy's got American team, you got Forest Wing on the side, Heat Maker. That's awesome. right, that was Flex Outlaws. Pretty cool day, lots of JZXs. It's just like a big party out here now. And with that, that's a wrap. See you in the next video.